Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to upload your photo for the photo discussion board. Here's the photo I've chosen to use. It's right here on my desktop. It's named Creek. So I open up Canvas, go to my account, go to Files. In my case, I have to pick our course. And then I just take the photo and drag it over. Whoop, drag it over. Give it a minute, it will upload. It'll appear right here when it's finished. There it is. Okay, so now I go back to the dashboard. I go to our course. I go to the discussion board where we're going to post the picture. Photo assignment. Here's the instructions. I click right here. When I do, I get all these icons. This one right here is called Embed Image. You click on that. We've saved our picture to our Canvas account, so you click Canvas. In my case, it's in the course files. There's the photo. I just go down to the bottom and I say Update. The photo will appear. It's quite large, so I'm going to shrink it down a little bit. We don't want it too big. Go down to the bottom, click after it. You can hit Return, and then here you can type in your description of the photo and the rest of the assignment. When you're finished, you hit Post Reply, and you're done.